Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a recipe for you and I want you to give it a try. And everything about this recipe will be in the description box at the bottom of your page. Now the first thing I want to say is, a lot of you may have peanut butter. My husband, he's a senior. He goes to the senior citizen building and they give him a box of stuff every month. And in those boxes there are like 2 to 3 jars of peanut butter. We don't eat that peanut butter, okay? Not that much. They give you the peanut butter in place of meat. Also, if you have kids and you get WIC, you're probably getting peanut butter too. And eventually, you don't use all that peanut butter. So what do you do with it? You'll make peanut butter bars. You'll make peanut butter cookies. Well, today we're going to be making peanut butter cookies. So with any recipe, you always want to put ingredients with ingredients. Dry ingredients with dry ingredients, liquid ingredients with liquid ingredients, okay? So with our peanut butter cookies, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a cup plus 3 tablespoons of flour, okay? And this is all-purpose flour. That's a cup and 3 tablespoons. We're also going to need 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. Now, if you don't have a measuring spoon that says 3/4, that would be, where's my baking soda? A half a teaspoon plus 1/4 teaspoon. That will make 3/4 teaspoons. A half a teaspoon plus 1/4 teaspoon. All right. Next, we're going to add our salt in there. And you're going to need a half a teaspoon of salt. All right, so once you have your flour, baking soda, and salt, just mix it around really good and then set it aside, okay? In a mixing bowl, you're going to add your half a cup of butter, and it needs to be softened. A half a cup is 1 stick of butter. Next, you're going to add your sugars. A half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of regular sugar. You don't need to pack your brown sugar. Just put it in here. Press, just lightly tap it and add the rest to make sure that it's all filled in and no gaps. So it's actually going to be lightly packed. Like to tap it and make sure that there's no little empty spots in there. Alright. There's our brown sugar and now our regular sugar. Oh well, let's just throw this in here anyway. It's not going to hurt anything. Now I'm going to beat this butter and sugar in a mixer for about 3 minutes because you really want to get this fluffy, alright? Now that we have our sugars and buttercream, we're going to add an egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we're going to beat it again for 1 minute. next we're going to add our flour mixture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this mixture as my hand mixer is going, okay? Now you want to make sure you're just incorporating the flour mixture together. You don't want to over mix. You want to just roll it into a ball. And what I like to do is I like to roll mine in a little bit of just regular sugar. Once it's in a nice little ball about 1.5 inches, take your fork and make your little fork marks. Like so. And put it on your cookie sheet. Once you've formed your balls and put your little fork marks in it, you're going to put it in the oven and cook it until the edges are golden brown. All right, just around the edges. So your cookies have been in the oven until they're golden brown around the edges. That takes anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. After they're ready, you're going to take them out of the oven, let them cool off. Once they cool off, you can go ahead and plate them, or you can go ahead and eat them right away. Doesn't matter. I like to eat mine while they're a little bit warm. Another thing that you want to remember is to keep your cookies nice and moist. You can put them in an airtight container or a storage bag with a like a Ziploc bag or something. That'll keep them nice and moist. This has been Christine's Awesome Things. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch some of my other videos, all right? Have a great day.